CIM is a 4-year Bachelor of Science degree that's offered at Chico State. It kind of covers all aspects of the concrete industry, from the raw materials to the actual building of structures, from anything from flat work to skyscrapers.
Obviously a huge focus in concrete. We do a lot of repair, decorative classes, and then we have other professors that teach a lot of management classes that are directly related to concrete.
We're going to learn the basics of batch plants and the basics of concrete in general, rather than a specific focus in a construction industry.
But also the professional parts as well, and how the industry works as a whole, between the engineers, the contractors, the materials companies, and the politics related to getting a job done the right way.
This is really an extraordinary program. It connects so many things that make this university special, including the ability to provide opportunities for our students to bring what they learn in the classroom to real-world experiences.
Alcatraz is a hallmark project for us. We have the tremendous support of BASF, one of our industry partners, who offered student stipends for the summer that allowed the 5 students the opportunity to spend all summer down there full-time.
We're fortunate enough to have Catherine Blatz and Robin Bellamy from BASF come out and really give us a hands-on demonstration of how to use the products from BASF.
And Robin, he was able to teach us really what it was all about and teach us the background on zero crack technology and how to use it efficiently and effectively.
So we were able to use this extremely high-tech, just released onto the market, type of repair concrete that was incredible to work with.
Another important aspect of a project like we did on Alcatraz has to do with formwork and tools and all of those other additional things that we need beyond concrete products.
Hilti stepped in after we had already started the project and became our tool supplier. We gave them a list of tools that we thought we'd need throughout the project, and they overnighted them to us.
The equipment they sent us was just unbelievable. I mean, they really went above and beyond their call of duty.
Between Hilti and BASF, our project was made so much, I don't want to say easier, but our project went so much smoother because we had 2 leading companies that make kind of the top shelf product.
It's one thing to teach students in the classroom about concrete repair. It's another to teach decorative in the classroom. But for the students to have the opportunity to bring those together on a National Historic Landmark in the middle of the San Francisco Bay and deal with all those logistics, it gives them a wonderful opportunity to work with industry experts, Clark Branham and Shelley Rigsby and Randy Klassen on the decorative aspects, and BASF on the highly technical repair materials, and let them develop a way to bring that together and have a result that everybody is very happy with.
It's not just Chico State, it's not just the National Park Service. It really is a collaborative effort. I mean, there's so many groups involved in saving the island and preserving it, and to have Chico State be a part of it and CIM is huge. I mean, the fact that we are going to be a part of history and preserving that history is amazing.
It was really cool because the National Park Service, they really kind of made us a part of them. They really brought us in with open arms and stuff, and it was a really awesome feeling. I'd love to do it again, and looking back, I would not change a thing.
Yes, it has a lot to do with the chemistry. It has a lot to do with the design. It has a lot to do with the architecture of the concrete industry. But it also has a lot to do with history and sociology and archaeology. It's the ability to connect those disciplines in a real-world applied experience. It's also a way in which partnerships are demonstrated. Not only the partnerships among disciplines, but the partnerships between what this university is accomplishing through its faculty and with its students, with the industry.
As a professor in the classroom, there's a certain way that things happen for teaching and hands-on experience in the lab. But there's a particular joy that comes from watching your students implement those skills in the field where they're making the decisions. They are coming up with the scope of work. They're going to redo it 2 or 3 times until they get the result they like. And it's a very proud opportunity for me to get to participate in that.